Hello everyone, my name is Sander Kuiper and I work for the company called Augie, and I've been in charge of developing the EMS for the hybris project over the last couple of years. And this is a short video just to give you some insights and an overview of the testing campaigns that we have been conducting for the hybris project throughout the course of November and December. Recall that in the hybris project we have multiple pilot sites. We have the Messina site in Sicily, where a physical testing campaign took place. And then we have a virtual demo site in the Netherlands, for which we ran emulations on the Hill device. And then we have also a virtual testing campaign on the Hill device based on data of the Brasgaat site in Belgium. So what I'm showing you here is the data platform of Augie, where we have stored all the data that we have captured via the cloud. So all the data that the EMS used to compute set points for the batteries. We're looking here at the physical testing campaign of Messina. So you see that the data platform started collecting data of the site around the 12th of November 2024. And that's starting as of the 18th, around the 18th or the 19th of November. Also the control started. So this is where we started testing the services on the physical systems in Messina. To zoom in on one of the testing days, you can see that throughout these days we were testing the arbitrage case, which basically means that we are exploiting features in the price signals, and we will charge the batteries when the prices are low and then discharge them again when the prices are high. So what you see here is the state of charge measured from the physical HES system in Messina, going up when we charge the batteries and then going down again, and exploiting these price features with 2 cycles a day approximately. The testing started around the 19th of November and continued throughout the course of December, and the testing was concluded on the 20th of December, Friday the 20th of December. Here, this is last Friday. Notice that we are now Monday, 23rd of December 2024. So as I mentioned, besides the physical testing campaign in Messina, we also have the virtual testing campaigns, which are actively running still at this time on the Hill devices here on premise at Augie. To give you just an overview of the data that we are collecting presently live for the Belgian virtual site, I can switch to this screen here. You can see that there is quite a lot of solar production at the Belgian site. We are using data which was captured at the Belgian site, and we're using data of July in the emulated setup, which is running live now. If I remove here the grid, you can see that the batteries are charging here throughout the moments of the day when the prices are cheapest, where we get the least amount of money for the injected energy. This is a live running test, an emulation of the Belgian site on the Hill devices. We have a second one also for the Dutch pilot, which is also still active today. You can see that the data is being populated live. So we have values here of the grid with a short delay at 1:36 p.m. and the batteries are following the set points which we have computed for them. You can see that here throughout the night we tested one of the services needed for the Dutch pilot, which is the peak shaving service. You can see that the battery is discharged to keep the grid value below some certain target. As I pointed out, these tests are still running live at this time. So the testing at the physical site in Messina was concluded last Friday, but the virtual sites are still continuing. And this is demonstrated here by our control scheduler, which is basically scheduling the control actions every minute. So this means that every minute we recompute the set points, the optimal set points for the batteries, and we dispatch them to the system. So the last computation was just completed at 1:41 p.m. on the 23rd of December, and within 1 minute the next computation will start. So this is a live process here. With that, I hope to have informed you a bit on the conducted and still active running tests for the Hybris project. Thank you for your attention.